which both our patience and our will be tested. But the greatest danger of all would be to do nothing.
Listen to KLVI on Alexa. Just say, "Hey Alexa, play News Talk 560 KLVI on iHeartRadio."
I want to remind you, though, every day, all of us, all of you hearing my voice now, we're all putting our information. You are putting your personal information at risk on the internet. And these cyber criminals, they're evil, but they're good at what they do, and they want to rob you blind. And they'll destroy your name, your finances, your reputation, your credit score. They'll take out loans and credit cards in your name. They'll rob your IRS refund if it's coming, if they get into that account. And if they get to your bank or retirement account, they'll rob that too. Now, when you join LifeLock.com, you instantly have protection. They see threats you'll miss on your own. They'll scour the dark web to see if your personal information is for sale. Very low annual rate. And if you ever have a compromised identity, they got restoration specialists that'll fix it for you. It's real simple. Right now, on top of their already low price, you'll save an additional 25% off your first year when you go to LifeLock.com or call 1-800-LifeLock and use the promo code Hannity. LifeLock.com, 1-800-LifeLock, promo code Hannity. Protect your name, your finances, reputation, your credit score. More on the other side as we continue with Sergeant Dimitri Penny is with us. Horace Lorenzo Anderson Sr., he lost his 19-year-old son in the Chaz Chop Autonomous Summer of Love Zone. Andre Taylor, family friend and activist. We have one last question for both of them on the other side of this as we continue.
Need a trusted elevator service company for commercial services you can count on? Call Stark Elevator, 24/7 elevator service specialist.
Coronavirus vaccine to investigate 6 reports of potentially dangerous blood clots among more than 6.8 million doses administered. White House coronavirus advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci discussing the pause.
It's going to be more like days to weeks rather than weeks to months.
The White House says the supply of Moderna and Pfizer vaccines is sufficient to continue the country's vaccination programs. Prosecutors rested their case today at the murder trial of former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin, charged in the death of George Floyd during an arrest last May.
The defense will now show its own evidence and start calling witnesses, possibly wrapping its case by Thursday, with closing arguments expected next Monday.
Fox's Jeff Manasso. America is listening to Fox News.